In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. We'll take your crypto on Coinbase, turn it into cash, and move that money to your Revolut account smoothly. I'll keep it simple and explain the choices you'll see so you can pick the fastest or cheapest option for you. Start by converting your crypto into the cash currency you want to withdraw, like EUR, GBP, or USD. In Coinbase, use the sell option, choose the crypto, enter the amount, and confirm. You'll see a preview with the sell price and fees. Take a second to review, since prices can move quickly and fees vary. Once the sell completes, you'll have a fiat balance ready to withdraw. Head to the withdraw section in Coinbase. If you're on the app, it's in your cash balance or the main menu. On desktop, it's under the assets or portfolio area. Select the currency you just sold into so you're withdrawing the right balance. You'll usually get two ways to send money to Revolut: bank transfer or card cash out. Bank transfer is best for bigger amounts and lower fees. In Europe, that's typically SEPA. In the UK, faster payments. Internationally, it may be Swift. It's not instant, but it's reliable and often low cost. Card cash out sends funds directly to your Revolut card and can arrive in minutes. It's great for speed, but there may be a small fee and lower limits, and it only works if your card supports instant payouts. If you choose bank transfer, enter your Revolut account details exactly as shown in your Revolut app, usually the IBAN for EUR or the local sort code and account number for GBP, plus any required bank codes. Make sure the currency and country match what Coinbase supports, and that the name on the account matches your Coinbase profile to avoid delays. If you choose card cash out, enter the 16-digit number of your Revolut card that supports payouts. Double check every digit. A typo can cause a failure. Review the summary carefully: amount, destination, fees, and estimated arrival time. Confirm, complete any security prompts, and you're done. You can track the status in Coinbase's Activity tab and watch for a Revolut notification when it lands. Card payouts often arrive in minutes. Bank transfers can take from the same day to a few business days, depending on weekends, holidays, and your region. Quick tips to avoid hiccups: match the currency to reduce conversion fees, start with a small test amount if it's your first time, and keep the transaction reference handy for support. That's the whole process. Sell, withdraw, choose bank or card, enter Revolut details, confirm, and wait for the funds.